Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the 4 T8 screws on the back. This exposes the halves. Once open, disconnect the battery to avoid shorting and keep track of ribbon cable placements. Next, look into each grip. You'll see 2 coin-style vibration motors, usually soldered or press-fit. Carefully note how the wires route to the PCB and take a photo for reference. Once you've confirmed motor positions, prepare a soldering iron or small wire cutters, depending on whether you plan to desolder or physically remove the motors. Now you decide. Desolder the motor wires for a reversible fix or cut the leads for speed. If desoldering, heat to about 300 to 350 degrees Celsius, use flux, lift the pads gently and remove the motor leads. This preserves the board. If cutting, leave about 1/8 inch of wire and insulate immediately. Once motors are removed or isolated, secure any loose wiring with electrical tape or heat shrink, and double-check there's no stray solder that could short adjacent traces. With motors disabled, reconnect the battery and press a few buttons to confirm functionality: triggers, bumpers, sticks, and the guide button. Once good, align the shell halves and tighten the 4 T8 screws evenly, but don't over-torque. Test in-game vibration settings to ensure feedback is absent. If something fails, open it again. Check solder joints for bridges, confirm battery polarity and connector seating, and verify ribbon cables are correctly routed. If vibration persists, the haptics may be driven elsewhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.